Alright guys, in this video I'll show you exactly where I will enter in a bank Nifty. So let me explain first. The bank Nifty is running a downtrend. So it's a clear downtrend, creating lower low, lower high, and the lower low. And finally, we have seen some pullback in this area. So we have to find some demand and a supply zone. So if price is running in a downtrend, so we have to find out the supply zone. All right, so in that area we'll see the price action is a small time frame. Let me show you here. And the first, just a minute, let me show you some supply zone. So right now price is running a downtrend, so supply zone are somewhere here in this area. All right, so why this is called supply zone? So let me show you upper side another supply zone somewhere here. So this is the supply zone. So means if price pull back to this level, definitely I'll hit my sell order, and we are expecting the price will drop from this area. So in this area, I'm not interested to take any position. So most of the people are doing big mistake in this area. So let me tell you that reason behind that. So here, we know this rally are forming by the big boys or big money. So normal trader cannot push the market to this level. They cannot move like this really. All right, so next price pullback. So this price hit and from a low point, so they create a new lower low. But here you can see this guy who people hit and push the market to this level, but this price is not enough. So if price is enough discount, so it is obviously price will drop and create a lower low, very strong. This wave will be very strong, but we have seen the price are going like lower low, lower low, lower low like that. So this type of wave are forming by the retail trader. So once the big money hit the market, so every retail trader thinking that price will go down. So that is why they are selling like that, and the price are forming like a wave, very unhealthy wave. So this type of wave are forming by the retail trader. So I'm not interested to go with the retail trader. So definitely we need a discount where these big boys should hit in this area. So I'll wait, or if price continue to the downside, so definitely I'll use some a pullback trading strategy in a small time frame, like so let me show you like a small time frame like this one, 1 minute chart. So let me show you. So once suppose that is the range, so once break this range, so then definitely I'll use this called pullback. So definitely I'll use demand and supply area in a small time frame. So I hope you enjoyed this video.